Alrighty, let's talk about this WordPress error. In this case, logging into WordPress backend throws this error. There's been a critical error on this website. Please check your site admin email box for instructions. This is usually some sort of PHP compatibility error or some sort of code error. This is how it manifests on the front end. I'm just going to walk through how to troubleshoot this on our WPAlpha hosting. So I'm in the back end. So I'm logged into the admin panel. And I just want to go to File Manager here. So I've clicked to open it already. So, oops, we're opening this tab. So File Manager looks like this, and I click Logs, and I'll get the logs here. So what we want to look at is the error log. So I'll click that to open it. And you'll see, you'll get all the errors that are being thrown under the bonnet. There's a bunch here. This is a new site. So there was some certificate errors when it was first set up because the SSL cert wasn't issued. That's not our problem. You want to scroll down to the bottom. So you'll see there's all these PHP errors all of a sudden. So we just want to scroll down right to the bottom and the last error message. So here we go. Now, you're going to have to wade through this. This is quite technical here, but you can see here the error message. Got error, PHP message, PHP fatal error, uncaught error, undefined constraint, raffle press pro version. And usually it will tell you what plugin it is. So if I scroll here, it is this plugin here, SeedProd Coming Soon Pro plugin. So that's the root cause of our problem. So disabling that plugin should fix us up here. So if I go back here, where are we? If I just open the WordPress section here, or the WordPress manager, I should be able to disable the plugin from here. If not, we can do it in the file manager section. I'll just click plugins, and we're going to find that SeedProd plugin. It must be here somewhere. There it is, SeedProd Pro 6.1. So we're just going to turn that off. That'll take 10, 20 seconds, depending. It may actually throw an error because it is throwing the PHP errors on the front of the site. So we'll just give that a second to do its thing. It actually doesn't. There we go. It worked. So we'll go back to our error page and give it a go again. And with some luck, that should load successfully. Let's give it a second. Might need to do some thinking. Nope, same thing. So let's go back to our log. Where are we? I'm just going to close that out at the bottom and just open it back up. See what's going on. So we should have a new line at the very bottom. Just scroll down. And okay, we still have this issue. Okay. WP update plugins. So if we start here, this is me just loading it now, doing that refresh. So we still have Raffle Press SeedProd updater plugin. There's maybe another plugin here that is the problem. Let's have a look. WP includes set transient. Okay. We may also have an issue with the Redis object caching. So transients are basically cached database fragments. And on our hosting environment, we use something called object caching, which is a type of database caching. So I suspect, let me find my window, too many tabs open. I suspect this Redis object cache plugin might be an issue, but it's not in this case. It's not on. So let's see, what else do we have here? Let's see, I'm going to turn off WordFence. That is the security plugin. We'll let that do its thing. Let's see. I don't see any other plugins here that could be problematic. Let's just see. We'll just give it one more try. So that doesn't look like it's it then. Okay. What we're going to do is turn on the WordPress debug log. So you can see here there's debugging. Just going to click this one first. We don't want to display this. We don't want to display the errors. We want to save them in the log file. So you can see here, WP debug enabled, WP debug log. So save all errors to the debug.log file inside WP content. So I'm just going to save that. So that turns on the debugging. So that'll turn on another log generated by WordPress. I'll just click that to turn it on. And we'll refresh the page and we might get some more insights. Oh, no. Okay, it's loaded. So maybe it was just having a little fit. So I think we're okay. So it was the SeedProd plugin. It just took a second to sort itself out. So that's fine. We'll go back and turn off the debugging. Where's my window? Too many windows open. Go turn it off. And that's it. That should be good to go there. If you did want to find the debug log, it is as per that message. It's under the site. So it'll be under HTTP docs, WP content. And there'll be a file here, debug.log, and that will have a similar thing where it will show you errors and problems relating to plugins and themes and code and things like that. But usually with WordPress, when it does something like that, it is a plugin having a fit. It's not compatible with something, it's broken. You have a conflicting plugin, or maybe it's not compatible with the PHP version. But in this case, that was the coming soon plugin was the problem. Anyway, that's all pretty straightforward. I think if a little bit technical, a few moving parts, but if you get stuck, our live chat guys are also available 24/7 and can help out.